flow has come in is that companies in US have been hiking prices of hundreds of drugs. Average price hike is about 6.3%, and Allergan AGN hikes prices by about greater than 10% for 24 products. 3 dozen companies have been raising prices, and that's one of the key things that has taken the center stage in the US market. But most of this is on the branded side. Let's get in a guest now to try and get some perspective. Okay, Mr. Gurudutta, Director and CEO at Estima Pharma Solutions, will join us in just a bit. We'll try and ask him that what essentially it means when branded prices go up the way they are, and what does it mean for Indian generic companies. That's probably one news flow that we would want to focus on and try and understand. Does this mean a change as far as change in the wind is concerned? So that's one sector to watch out for. Another sector that's in focus is the telecom pack, and let's again come out and look at what's happening on the telecom sector. So you've got some news flow coming in where about the monthly numbers that come out, and this time it came in for the month of October. Reliance Jio has added 10.5 million users in the month of October. Jio subscriber base has risen to about 26 crore at this point of time. Vodafone and Idea have lost close to about, Vodafone Idea as in together, have lost about 73 lakh million. This is the 6th straight month of decline. And Airtel, on a net basis, on a reported basis, I think it's down, but on a net basis, it's added about 3.4 million. Overall, first edition coming in for Airtel in the last 3 months. Total subscription base of all these companies put together is now about 1,022 million. Okay, we have the pharma guest now with us, Mr. Gurudutta, Director and CEO at Estima Pharma Solution. Mr. Gurudutta, what do you make of the price hikes that have been reported? It's for the branded space, but does that mean that first signs of branded price increase have happened and generics can follow?
It is not necessary that whenever there is a price increase with respect to branded, it will have an increase in generics also. Generics is a different scenario altogether, wherein it depends upon the competition and the number of players available in the market. So we cannot correlate the price increase with respect to branded products and the a similar price increase going to happen in generics.
Right. So what would you take of this price hike which has happened in the branded space of 6.3%? And at least looking at the year that has gone by, what would you say for generic pricing?
Generic pricing, it is going to remain the same in the same way, continue in the same way. However, it depends upon the number of players, again, as I said, and the product selection. Based on that, the price is going to be decided.
Right. So what are the triggers to watch in 2019? Companies have been investing a lot in R&D. You think this year pricing or drug launches have to increase for these companies to make better profits?
Absolutely. The investment with respect to R&D space in 2019 is going to increase. And people are already concentrating on certain niche markets where the investment with respect to R&D is also would be high. And companies are decided to go ahead in investment in these lines.
Right. So in terms of growth areas for 2019, what do you think will happen? So biosimilars, specialty products, and probably new launches of niche drugs were the only growth area, marginal growth areas in 2018 for select companies here in India. You think that trend will continue?
Yeah, absolutely. That trend is going to continue, and biosimilars has a different space altogether, and there is always a big scope for the development of biosimilar products in 2019 as well. However, with respect to specialty products, wherein in the niche molecules, investment also will go with respect to the development of these kind of molecules also.
Right, sir. Thank you so much, sir, for taking our time for us. Always good to get perspective from you. That was a word coming in on the pharma pack, and clarifying that branded when the price of branded products increases, it doesn't mean that even generics will go up. On that note, we're taking a break. Coming back quickly, focus on markets. Continue.